beautiful people. This is your girl Sabina, formerly known as Fab Beauty here on YouTube. Guys, this is where style meets affordability. So today I have a haul. It is not such an affordable haul, but I think it's a good one because I found this from the Coach outlet, but it is a Coach or actual Coach bag. So forgive me, I'm moving back and forth. I'm trying to get this video in a bigger range. So we went to the Coach outlet and we got something, but I will show you guys in a minute. But the first thing I got from the Coach outlet is this belt right here. I think it's a Coach outlet belt. So I love the buckle. It have this one right here, and then this is in like you can see burgundy color. I may have to take it back because the girl adjusted it and I think she forgot to put this where it's supposed to be. So it is in the burgundy color, like I said. And when you put the belt on, this is how it will look. Absolutely, I believe this is a gorgeous belt, guys. I always sing absolutely. I didn't even realize that there now, but I believe it is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful belt. It's a Coach, and I believe this is the outlet branch because it's the outlet that have this symbol right now, I think. And the belt is beautiful. So when you buy the belt, they can adjust it for you. I had them adjust it for me in the store because it was just it was large. And the next thing in this bag right here, oh, the belt was, how much it cost? Sorry. So the price for the belt was $128 United States dollar. Can you believe this? For $128, but it was 60% off, so it came down to $60. And I also got this right here. I just thought this was kind of cute, guys. This is a banana key ring. What do you guys think? I love it. Like, this is actually nice and beautiful. So I got this key ring. It's in the silver color. It was for $92. These people don't be playing. $92, and it was 75% off, so it came down to $27. And I love it in this bag. So I'm not sure if you guys are aware when Bottega came up with their travel bag. It's the Adimiango, like the big one. Yo, that bag sells for how many $1,000s? Isn't it $6,000 or $7,000? I was like, I love the bag. I love the concept of the bag, but there is no way in this world with any justifications for my heart to buy a $4,000 bag. If I'm giving it as a present, I would gladly take it. But for me, consciously to do that, I think the highest I spent for bag in my closet is $800. And that $800 bag is a Chanel bag. But the least I spent after that Chanel was $550. It is a Tom Ford bag. So you see the gist. And now, so when I saw this one in store, I thought it was 75% off. I ran out of, and then today I'm like, why didn't I get it? But when I ran, it was actually 60% off. But let's take the bag out after all my renting. It's in the bag right here. So it's a travel bag. And when I was coming home, the girl told me the bag is reversible. So you're getting 2 bags in one. So I thought that was a good idea. They had the black and they had the green. They had the smaller size, but it also had the bigger size. And I want this for travel, right? So I took the green because green is my favorite color. And besides, I also have a lot of black bags. So, ta-da, guys. So this is not an outlet. This is actually the Coach bag, but I think it did not sell in the store, so they brought it over to the outlet. It's a Coachtopia. Coachtopia. And the So just to read the price on this bag, yeah, comes open apart like this. I didn't know. I thought it was a whole bag, but you actually have to put it together yourself. I don't know how to do it, so let's figure it out, okay? Let's figure it out. How do you put this bag together? Oh, I should have asked the girl. I didn't know it came like that, but well, let's see here. So I have to put this together and I will come back and show you guys. But I think what you have to do is put the string through the bag and then use it. So let me put it together and I will come back and show you guys what it is. It is the string, so it is reversible. So you get the grain, and then when you turn it around, you have a black travel bag. So I believe that's what they did it. So 2-in-1, this is absolutely a great idea. So I didn't have to buy the black because I can wear it in the black. I can turn it to black, and we can turn it to the green. So let's do that and I'll be right back. All right, my love. So after putting the bags together, this is it right here. So it's a Coachtopia, and this is a beautiful travel bag. It's just kind of open, but I mean, for the Bottega and 4,000, this bag is $550. But like I said, it was 60% off, so it came to $2 something. So I actually saved like $300 off of the bag. And it also have this pouch that comes in the bag. It is not the Coach outlet brand. It is the Coachtopia. I think that this is like the special edition kind of bag. And for me to get this bag, I love it. So when you put it on your shoulder, this is how it is. And the bag is reversible. So I got 2 bags in one. All I need to do is just undo this rope on the side and flip the bag over, and then it becomes from green to black. So I can travel with a green bag and come out with a black bag. Everybody will be thinking it's 2 different bags, but it's the same bag. It also has this little tag on the side right here. It says Coach. As you can see, it is not the other brand. And then over here it says Coachtopia. And I think if I add my little let's see, let's just add this right here and see how it will look. It just give it an extra layer to the bag. And yeah, here we go. So this is ready. I'm happy for this travel bag. I'm happy that it's 2-in-1. So it's like I pay $100 for each side of the bag, and it's 100% leather. Really nice bag. So you guys tell me what you think about this Coach bag for a travel bag. I mean, it's open, right? So it is open, but you can get an insert for this bag, and then you can, one of the insert I have like on zipper, and you can just put your stuff in here. But this would take a whole lot when you're traveling. Like, I mean, like you'll be traveling in style. So go back, and if you're wondering, this little blue light glasses, I got it from Shein, guys. I think $1 or $2, I'm not sure, but I love the color. Green is my favorite color, but I just wanted to put it on for you guys to see. It would not be in my hat. So yeah, so guys, this is it right here. Let me know what you think about the Coach bag. I think it's kind of cute. And next one, be good, love your neighbor as you love yourself. And also remember, we are in the last time, right? Love God. All right.